The science of attraction, what really draws us to each other. Attraction isn't just about romantic feelings or surface-level chemistry, it's a powerful force shaped by biology, psychology, and environment. Understanding the science behind attraction helps us see how much of what we feel is influenced by intricate mechanisms. Let's explore the factors that drive attraction and why certain people seem irresistible to us. 1. Biological factors, the chemistry of love. Our bodies are equipped with a variety of chemicals that play key roles in attraction. When we're attracted to someone, our brains release neurotransmitters like dopamine, oxytocin, and serotonin. Each plays a unique role. Dopamine, known as the feel-good chemical, dopamine gives us a sense of pleasure and reward when we're around someone we're attracted to. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, oxytocin helps create bonds, promoting feelings of trust and closeness. Serotonin, this neurotransmitter affects mood, and a spike can lead to that euphoric feeling of being on cloud nine. The presence of these chemicals explains why attraction often feels exhilarating. It's not just in our heads, it's in our brains and bodies, urging us to pursue connection. 2. Evolutionary psychology, the role of survival and reproduction. From an evolutionary perspective, attraction is about survival. Traits we're drawn to often have roots in what may have historically increased chances of survival and reproduction. Physical traits, features like symmetry and certain body ratios are often universally attractive, as they can signal health and fertility. Research shows that people with symmetrical faces are perceived as more attractive because symmetry is often associated with good health. Social status and resources. Our ancestors valued partners who could provide security and resources, which might explain why traits like ambition and stability are often attractive. Kindness and empathy. These traits can signal a partner's likelihood to nurture and care for offspring, which is why kindness consistently ranks high in attraction studies. 3. Psychological factors, familiarity and similarity. Humans are creatures of habit, often attracted to the familiar. Psychologists suggest that we're drawn to people who resemble those we know well or share our values and interests. There are a few main theories on this. Familiarity principle, also known as the mere exposure effect, this principle states that the more we see someone, the more likely we are to find them attractive. Familiarity offers a sense of safety, making someone feel approachable and relatable. Similarity attraction theory, we tend to be drawn to those who share similar interests, beliefs, and values. This is partly because similarity validates our own beliefs, creating a sense of belonging. 4. The power of scent, how smell impacts attraction. Smell may seem like a subtle factor, but it has a profound impact on attraction. Our sense of smell is linked to pheromones, chemicals produced by our bodies that can subtly influence the way we're perceived by others. Pheromones, these are natural chemicals released by the body that can affect the behaviors of others. Some studies suggest that women may be attracted to the scent of men whose immune system genes differ from their own, potentially benefiting offspring's immune strength. Personal scent preferences, the appeal of a natural scent or a favorite cologne can make someone more attractive. Our sense of smell is linked to memory and emotion, so a pleasant scent can trigger positive associations and emotions. 5. Nonverbal cues, body language speaks louder than words. Nonverbal communication, facial expressions, eye contact, posture, and gestures, often says more than words. A study by psychologist Albert Mehrabian suggested that over 50% of communication is nonverbal, and these cues are vital in attraction. Eye contact, prolonged eye contact, can create intimacy and signal interest. Studies show that people who engage in eye contact are often perceived as more trustworthy and attractive. Mirroring, people tend to mimic the body language of those they are attracted to, subconsciously creating a sense of harmony and connection. Open posture and touch, simple gestures like leaning in slightly, maintaining open body language, and light, respectful touch can indicate attraction and make interactions feel more personal. 6. Context and environment, the influence of situation on attraction. The circumstances in which we meet someone can also influence our level of attraction. Psychologists refer to this as the misattribution of arousal. Heightened emotions, When we meet someone in an exciting or stressful situation, our brains may misattribute the arousal of the moment to attraction for the person. Proximity effect: being physically near someone increases the chances of attraction. People who live close to each other or frequently interact are more